Hello, I'm Suraj here. So in this video, we are going to see one application which is a learning management system. I made this application by using Power Apps with the help of Canvas application and SQL as a data source. So inside that, we will go through later. First, we will see the PPT. Inside this application, we have two users. First one is learners, and second one is instructor. Learners having ability to enroll the course and see all the contents inside that course, which is chapters and lessons and which are interlinked with the videos, etc. And instructor can be able to means add up new courses uh, inside the application and able to add new course, new lessons, and link it with the video links with that lesson. So there are two users in this application. Now we are moving further. So that is application overview. So developing an application that facilitates a learner having ability to search or browse the courses inside that application. If he or she can be uh, write a text inside the a text bar there, they can be able to search each and every courses regarding with the text they enter. Second one is watch video lessons. Learner can be able to means watch videos that are interlinked with the lessons and mark lesson as completed, or they can be able to skip the lessons without marking it as completed. And the trainers can be able to create new courses, create chapters and link them with the course, create lessons and link them with to the chapter, and view published and draft courses with different tabs. I will show you in the application, which are published and which are draft, or we can modify the status of the courses inside that application. So yeah, now moving further, to develop for instructor. What are the screens, what are the functionality that instructor can do? First he need to login. He will navigate to the he or she can be navigate to the login screen. They need to credentials there. So after that, a course grid divided by two tabs. First one is published and second one is draft. There are two drafts where instructor can see all the published and draft courses there. In the grid of all courses, each card must be include title, category, and subcategories, difficulty level, and description. All instructor can see or view on the grid on that screen. Add new courses button open pop-up and must cover above car details, so they can be able to add new courses with one button there. And course content view, inside the course they can be able to see or edit list chapters. Means they can be able to add new chapters if they want to add. And there need to be view content as title and description below there, and add new chapter button with the pop-up, and title and description to be listed there with each chapter, right? And after that, click on the chapter should display lesson list, which are the lessons that are available in the same chapter, that need to be listed there on the same page on right hand side. Lesson list, add new lesson button, so they can be able to add new lessons also. These are the functionality that instructor can do. And this one are the mandatory rules that instructor need to follow. All the pop-up fields must be set mandatory, and open clicking a chapter card on left list, Right side list should only show the lessons linked to the chapter and not all. So these are the rules that need to be maintained, or we maintain in the inside the application. So now moving further, so these are the functionality that learner has to follow. So first one is login view. Inside the login view, they can be able to see the menus with all courses and my courses. All courses having all the courses listed inside that should show all the available courses to take. They can be able to enroll for any courses by using all courses menu, and inside the my courses, so if the user, if the learner can if the learner used that enroll that course, so all the enrolled courses are listed inside the my courses, right? So after that, inside the course grid should show. So these are the contents that need to be displayed on the course grid. First one is title, category and subcategory, difficulty level, description, status, which shows if the course is in the ongoing status or it is completed. So after that, course detail view. First one is a video area on the left hand side, and just right after that, right hand side, it will show all the lessons regarding with that chapter. So these are the functionalities that learner can do. So these are the mandatory rules that need to be maintained inside the application. So there are three controls on every video lesson video: go previous, go next, marked as complete. So first point which needs to be done, which is on click of previous or next, open pop-up and show two buttons, go to previous. So these are the things we are going to see inside the application. Okay, now so that is the db schema. That these are the tables that are included in SQL data source. So these are the tables: status, course category, course user, chapter, lesson. All the whole things are added into the SQL data source. So first we will see our application. So this is the login screen where learners as well as instructor can be able to log in by using that screen. So if the instructor wants to log in, just he or she need to click on that. If learner wants to log in, just click on that. So we are providing credentials for instructor first. So first one is admin@gmail.com. The password is 123. Now we are going. If anyone wants to, if any learner as well as instructor want to sign up, they can just hit on that sign up button to make themselves register inside this application. So we are using only one credential for admin. Just hit on that login button. Okay. So this is the courses where instructor can be able to uh, see whole courses that he or she has added. So all things will be listed here, and the publish and draft are the different tabs. If we are seeing the published one, so these are the courses that are published, and any learners can be able to see or enroll for these courses. Otherwise, if in the next tab, this is the draft of where this admin uh, where this is where you can see the admin email ID there. And he's he or she is editing this application. That's why it is kept inside the drafts. Or if that instructor want to publish, they just click on that, and from here they can be able to publish that application. Instructor having ability to add new chapter, just click on that, it will open one pop-up, and inside that we can write any contents there, or they can be able to simply add this chapter inside that course, right? Or there's a lesson where instructor can be able to just insert the lesson with the YouTube link. They can just need to provide a link here, so the lesson will be get added inside the chapter. So these are both interlinked with each other. Means if we are adding any chapter, so inside the chapter we can add new lessons, right? So if anyone wants to save it, or means instructor want to save it or publish it, they just need to click on this button. Otherwise, if instructor wants to keep this course as in draft for the future editing, so they can be able to save as draft. So after that, we are moving further to see a published one. So if instructor wants to means edit inside that, or either they want to send this course into the draft, so just they need to click on that button, send to draft. So that will add it inside the draft tab, right? Instructor can also be able to see all the lessons which are interlinked with this chapters. Just they need to click on that chapter, so whole list is lessons are listed here. And if we click on the sign up, so these are the lessons that are interlinked with the sign up chapter, right? So they can from right here, they can also be able to add new chapters, add new lessons if they want. Just now moving on to the courses. Okay. Means instructor can be able to add new courses by using this pop-up. So just need to add new course right here with the title name and a category of that. Now we can select software development as a category, and subcategory we can select that power apps otherwise. Uh, and course difficulty level also, we can select intermediate, and description if we want, and just hit on that add course. They can be able Instructor can be able to add new course inside this application. So this is the part where instructor can play each and every role inside this application. So now we are moving on to the learners panel, that we are going to see what learners can do, and the password. Okay. 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 Now we moved on to the next page. So this is the user, or we can say as learner. So inside that, we can search for any course like Power BI. Okay, for that, so these all the courses that are being published by the instructor. So each and every courses are listed here. So if the learner wants to enroll for this Power BI course, so just need to click on that, and it will navigate onto the next page, and it will show all the contents regarding with that course right here on this screen. So as you can see on the right hand on the left hand side, you will get a video control. Inside that, you can see a video of which are linked with the lessons. And if we hit on that introduction to Power BI chapter, you will see all the lessons are listed below that chapter. If we click on particular lesson, just like what is Power BI, so it will load the video right here, right? So you can be able to see from right here, right? And if we click on that mark as complete, it will open one dialog box. Just need to hit on that yes marked as completed button. It will send the data, patch the data inside the SQL database. And if the learner continues means open and mark as completed all the lessons, then this checkbox means a tick icon will get here visible. So if we want to go on to next chapter, just click on that and you will get all the lessons below that. So like that, they can be able to view the lesson inside a particular chapter. And if that learner wants to enroll for the course, just he need to click on that. Okay, just need to click on that. mm, okay, and they can be able to enroll for that particular course right here. And inside my courses, these are the courses that this user has enrolled for. So these three courses are now in ongoing process. If any uh, if any courses are done with all application, means all the lessons are marked as completed, then it will turn status ongoing to completed as well. So this is the whole thing that learner can do from their panel. So they can be able to just click on that and that to log out from the application. So thank you for watching this video.